ITSE Standard 3 Collaborator. Coaches establish productive relationship with educators in order to improve instructional practice and learning outcomes. 3A specifically says, establish trusting and respectful coaching relationships that encourage educators to explore new technology or new instructional strategies. So this assignment, what it was is we were supposed to go out and find different resources and apps to use for a flipped classroom. And with this, I went out there and I really am, especially this year with COVID, I am doing a lot with the flipped classroom. I am running my classroom a lot like a flipped classroom. Screencast-O-Matic that I'm using right now. I'm creating lessons on Screencast-O-Matic for students to watch either if they're in person in the class or watch at home when they're remote. And it's just a great tool that I'm using. And on this assignment, there was a lot of other great instructional websites or apps that I found and found that could be used. Again, I think with this, applying to this ITSE standard, it's me learning this, but then being able to tell my people that are underneath me about these great instructional activities that they can use in their classrooms. Helping me grow professionally. I mean, obviously, I've been using these things. I've been doing a lot of these, and it has really helped me grow. I feel that my classes, they run so much more smoothly with this information that I've been using from using a lot of these different apps that I found in this assignment. So this was a good one. Next on Collaborator, this one I feel really falls under 3B and 3C, a little bit of each. 3B states, partner with educators to identify digital learning content that is culturally relevant, developmentally appropriate, and aligned to content standards. 3C states, partner with educators to evaluate the efficiency or efficacy of digital learning content and tools to inform procurement decisions and adaptation. This assignment, this is one I really got excited about when we did it. This is one where I partnered. I used to teach in Great Bend, Kansas before I was here in Olathe, and I talked to one of my instructors or coworkers in Great Bend. They have a laser engraver, and us here in Olathe we have the 3D printer. Two great pieces of technology. And what I did is I created this assignment to where we partnered with Great Bend, my students did, and worked through a design of an award for my first robotics team. Using their laser engraver and our 3D printer to be able to create a really neat project that we could collaborate together with the other school and the students. And this, I just think, is a great activity, or it was a great activity, and something that I can definitely use to teach that collaboration for my teachers in the future, or for teachers in the future. I think this would be a really good one, and I think this was a great example of that. Helping me grow, this one definitely taught me how to work with others, taught me how to get my students to work with others, and I hope in the future that will just change to where I'm helping my teachers work with others and collaborate on a project. This one was a really fun project, and I think this is a great example.